truck has been in the shop for almost a month now, and I need to get some of these cars to scrap. So I went forward with my brother's 7.3 diesel, and we're going to see if I can start moving some of these cars out of here. First one that goes, the old wagon. So because I don't have my truck here, I'm actually using this 12-volt transport truck battery to be my winch power source. It's not as strong as it is with the vehicle running. I don't know. I think we're going to be doing a little bit of work to this trailer in the upcoming weeks or months to try to get it so I can have a remote activated winch. I think it's going to be cool. About as far as we can go. Let's go get a jag. Having no front suspension on these cars, no subframe, no nothing, definitely makes it a little bit harder and more of a challenge to get on the trail. But I still get them on. Just takes a little bit longer. There you go. See, come on. Good car. Just trying to get it a little bit straighter on that trailer. There you go. She's getting on there now. It's almost all the way up. Kind of think it has to go a little bit farther ahead. So let's reposition the chain and see if we can get her closer. So the Camry's loaded all the way onto the trailer, basically as far forward as I can go. And the reason for that is because there's no motor inside this car. And that basically puts the center of gravity about there. Now the downside to this is I actually lose almost $25 or $30 a ton if the car does not have a motor and transmission. So what we're going to do now is we're going to lift up that HHR motor over there that's been sitting on the ground for a year, and we're going to throw it at the back of the trailer. Try to get as close to the axles as possible just so I get my $30 a ton back, because I'm basically losing about $40, maybe $45 on this car by not throwing a motor on there. And realistically, this motor here I'm not doing anything with. It's pretty much junk to me. All that we're going to do is cut the cat off, alternator and air conditioning. Starter looks a little hard to get at, so we're not going to even mess with that. But yeah, this thing's going to be tossed on there and thrown in the trash, just so we get her like $30 that we should rightfully get, I guess. But let's get her on there. I have her all loaded up, ready to go to scrap. It's a pretty big shame. This is going to be the only Camry wagon I've ever sent to the scrapyard, but let's face it, she was junk. We got a motor just so we get the proper weight and price per ton at the scrapyard. We're going to get this put in there pretty soon. If I get off work half decently early tomorrow, this will be going over the scales tomorrow. And the money that we get for this will hopefully go towards buying another Camry that is actually about 5 kilometers away from the scrapyard. So if we drop this off, maybe we can pick up another Camry and bring it home. But that's probably going to be it for the end of this video. So thanks guys very much for watching. And I do want to remind you guys that the draw for the free roof sign is coming up quickly. We are less than 2 weeks away from it. So make sure that you guys go to the video. I'm going to put it down in the description below. And I'm going to link it at the end of this video, which should be appearing now-ish. But make sure you guys get over there, you leave a comment on the video, and you leave a comment on his Facebook page, and that will get you entered for the free roof sign giveaway on Zach's Workshop. So thanks very much, guys, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.